Hi folks, welcome back. So I think in previous sessions we saw how Hyper is capable of connecting to SPF and vCenter environments and discovering all the virtual machines out there. So in this session we are gonna see how Hyper is capable of migrating all this discovered VMs onto an available target cloud platform. So I'll just quickly show you what is the VM we are gonna migrate. So today we are planning to migrate this Vadi VM. It is running in an hypervisor. So I have already run a discovery deployment, so I think we can directly jump to the migration part. So we are just clicking on this new migration button, and now we are just selecting the virtual machine, and as it's from a system center VM, we are just selecting that, and we'll be listed with the various connections available, source platform connections, and we are just selecting the connection which we need, and we can search for VM. Yeah, here we go. We just select the VM we need, and we can select the target platform. So we have currently we support Azure and AWS, and for now we are migrating the VM to AWS. So this is the connection added. So in this step we are selecting the bucket where the VHD files will be uploaded. So I'm just selecting this. So in this we can just rename the VM like how we want. And in instance type we support this many instance types, and I'm just selecting T2 for now. Instance architecture can be configured, and we are inputting the virtual machine credentials as we need to pre-process the virtual machine before it's migrated. So we do have capabilities to configure the subnet of the virtual machine. So you can also use the existing subnets or create your own. So for now I'm just using the existing subnet and also the security groups. So there we go. So we have submitted a migration request, and we can track the request from the request management tab, deployment jobs, and we can see that deployment is in running state. So the VM has got already pre-processed for the migration, and now we are like pre-processing the VHD files for the migration. So we do provide the capabilities for the user to like retry from like the fail step. There is no need for the user to retry the whole deployment. He can just come back and like retry from the step where it has failed. So once all the migration processes are complete, we can go ahead and check the VM from AWS. So migration VM, this is the VM which has got created. We can try connecting to it. So we can take the RDP files. So we are able to successfully log into the VM, and let's check the configuration informations. So the VPC, subnet, everything is like configured from the Hyper itself. And if there is any data disk attached to the VM, so we take care in like migrating those things also without any tampering of data. So that's it folks for today. So if any doubts, don't hesitate to reach back to us. Thank you.